My dear brothers and sisters, there is a word of God in the Bible. When you go through struggles and temptations, distraction and failures and defeats, there is a tendency that you may think that God has abandoned you. You are so committed and you are so prayerful and you are so holy in spite of being holy and committed to God. You see and face tragedies and failures and defeats in your life. And then you may tend to believe that God has abandoned you. You will see a person in the Bible, the Old Testament, Joseph. He was a good man. He loved his parents and his brothers, but his brothers did not love him. They were jealous of him. They tried to kill him. Later they sold him as a slave, and then he became slave in Egypt. He was a slave in the house of Potiphar, and there he was tempted to commit sin, but he did not fall into sin. He stood for Jesus, he stood for God. Then he was accused falsely and put behind the bars. One after the another, tragedies after tragedies, when he experienced. He never denied God, he never denied his brothers, he never accused or attacked or hurt or kept unforgiveness against his brothers or family. He never gave up hope on God, and he still trusted in God. And then what did God do to him? He never felt that he is abandoned by God. But instead, what did really happen to him? Let us read this word of God. Wisdom chapter 10 verse 13 and 14. Let us read. When a righteous man was sold, wisdom did not desert him, but delivered him from sin. It is God who delivered him from falling into sin. When he was sold, God did not desert him, and God descended with him into the dungeon. When he was imprisoned, God was with him in the prison. When he was thrown into the pit, God was with him in the pit. And then when he was a slave, God was with him in his slavery. And when he was in prison, she did not leave him. And then what did God do then? It is not enough that he just be there in the prison, in the dungeon, in the pit. But God did one more thing. Until God brought him the scepter of a kingdom and authority over his masters, God was with him. Until God brought him the scepter of a kingdom and authority over his masters, God never abandoned him, never deserted him, never left him. Those who accused him, she showed to be false. And she saved him and gave him everlasting honor. My dear brothers and sisters, this is something that we all need to remember and keep in our mind. We may, just because we are holy and good and leading a good life, doesn't mean that everything will be smooth in our life. We may face tragedies, misunderstanding, and will be falsely accused and will be rejected, denied, and will be put behind the bars and will be in the dungeon, it will be in the pit, and it will be abandoned. But God says, Bible says, God will never leave that person. God will never leave you until God bring you the scepter of a kingdom and authority over his masters. And he will surely, those who accused him, he will surely show them to be false. And that is his promise. And will bring an everlasting honor. And this is something that we need to keep in our mind, my dear brothers and sisters.